few stags walking around in the bracken. I'm currently just observing this group behind. I've got some amazing shots. Some really, really beautiful shots. I don't really want to get any closer than this because they are just behind there. And I've got a couple of trees in front of me, which is helping with cover. There's lots of bracken. I've had to move around to the side a little bit because there's two. There's two stags bellowing at each other, and I was kind of in the middle of them, and I definitely don't want to be there because if they do go at each other, well, I'm in the way. So I've come round the side to get a different angle and basically just trying to stay safe and out of the way. But they might run, so we'll see. He's ran off, but there's two stags out in the open. And they're going out. You can hear them. I think they might run, or I think he's running away. I think he's run away. I'm not sure if you could see that then, but one of the younger stags tried stealing a few of his women, and he was running circles around them. But I think the older one, the more mature, he's trying again. I think he's trying. He's took one of them. He's took like one or two of them. They're all legging it. They could run, potentially. They all look like they're going to run off with a younger one. I'm going to try and follow them. But it's like wild goose chase. They did leave a couple. There's like two hinds left up behind there. Anyway, I think they might run, so I'm going to see if I can get some shots of this. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to capture the deer butting heads. However, I still got some incredible photos. I hope you've enjoyed this short video of some semi-wildlife photography. I say semi because this is an estate where the deer live and wander between private protected land and public protected land, so they can get a little bit spooked out when they see people. I'd also like to say a huge thank you for the team at BBC Countryfile for putting me on a platform to showcase my work. It was such an amazing experience and probably the highlight of my career so far. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.